guys, I'm Jess. I'm from Your Film. I'm here to help you film an awesome video yourself.
Once your package arrives, open it up on a stable surface and you'll see the two cameras here and directional microphones for each. 1 and 2. Below that you'll see a tripod, light for filming in dark situations, spare battery and power supply charger. Once you've unpacked everything, make sure you check every item off against the checklist we provided. Once you have all the items removed from the packaging, firstly check the battery is connected. Insert it by pushing it from the bottom to make sure it clicks. The second item is the microphone. This goes into the top of the camera, pushing it forward and then tighten finger tight. Then attach both the power by pushing forward and, if not connected, into input 1. If you're filming in dark situations, you might want to connect the external light, which pushes in from behind. It's not pushing in. And again, finger tight. Finally, attach power to the side. To charge the batteries, use the charger, connect the power into the back and make sure you plug that into the wall and charge the battery in the camera here, like so, and this will charge overnight. This is your tripod. As you can see, there's a top section for the camera and 3 legs. The legs extend by removing the catches and should pull out completely. Lock the legs off and repeat for the others. Once the tripod's set up, you'll notice you have a handle for moving in all directions, and this dial locks off so it doesn't move. To insert the camera, push forward. To remove the camera, simply push down on the button and pull backwards. To reinsert, push forwards. To unlock the handle, pull the dial towards you, move as required, and tighten like that. So the viewing screen opens out like that and it automatically turns on the camera. You can move that for better angle, or if you need, put it flush. To switch off, simply fold flat. So when filming, make sure the mode is selected with the movie icon showing in green. To start recording, press the stop and start button once and press again to stop. So when recording, you can zoom in and out using the top button. To zoom in, go to the right. To zoom out, go to the left. Now we're going to show you how to shoot, playback and delete an image. Firstly, record the subject.
Hi!
When you finish your scene, press stop and you can go via the touch screen, touch the screen, the playback button and tap on the scene you just recorded. Tap the rubbish bin icon, select this image and OK. When filming at night, you need to remove the hood. The hood reflects light into the camera lens during the day. To remove, turn the dial on the inside until the hood comes off. To reattach, apply the reverse procedure until finger tight. When shooting at night, you'll need to use the night shot and the built-in light. Do not use these during the day. These cameras work very well in low light. However, if you've ordered the additional light fitting, make sure it's inserted and attached here. The power is connected, it is set to automatic and is turned on.